Welcome back. I hope you guys all enjoyed that POV. So for the route on this POV, I got off at Waterloo Station, I headed over the bridge and then a couple laps of Chinatown, Soho and the West End. But as for the shots, in the first half of the POV, I was using the 35mm f1.4, and then in the second half, I was using the 33 1.4. So I was out shooting with Roman. I'm sure most of you following this channel here already follow Roman Fox, and he borrowed me the 33 1.4. If I was to compare the two lenses, the newer 33 1.4 does have a few clear advantages. Firstly, it's weather sealed, so if you are shooting in a city or in a place where it rains a lot, then that definitely is going to help you out. Secondly, the autofocusing is a lot faster and it's a lot more accurate. So when you're doing street photography, especially at night time, the 33 1.4 pretty much always locks onto the target. Whereas when you're shooting with the 35 1.4, there are times where it misfocuses and I do end up missing shots. And finally, when it comes to the image quality, the 33 is slightly sharper, it's a bit crisper, but it's nothing massive. I mean, you'd have to compare the shots side by side, and if you're mostly sharing your shots on Instagram and social media, you're really not going to tell the difference. So if you are looking to buy a 35mm lens on Fujifilm, the 33 1.4 is great. If you're looking to save yourself a bit of money, then the 35 1.4 is also still a fantastic lens. On top of that, it's smaller and it's a bit lighter as well. So hopefully in the near future, I'll use that 33 1.4 a little more, and I'll drop some thoughts and reviews on this channel. But towards the end of that POV actually, I wanted to show a bit more of the night photography and the process that goes into taking shots at nighttime. But the POV footage from the GoPro 9 at nighttime really wasn't that good. You can even see towards the end of the episode, when the sun starts to go down, the footage gets more and more noisy, and then at nighttime, it gets just too noisy to the point where the footage is unusable. And secondly, the stabilization stops working so well when it is nighttime. So I'm going to try to find a solution for that so I can show a bit more of the POV at nighttime, or if you guys have any solutions, just drop them in the comments below. But yeah, as always, you guys can do me a huge favor by hitting that thumbs up button. It does make a huge difference to the algorithm and this channel. Secondly, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I drop photography episodes pretty much every single week. So yeah, as always, stay safe, have fun, and I'll catch you in the next one.